Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 13, lesson 3, data dictionary views, tables, information. In the previous lesson, we learned how to use user underscore objects and all underscore objects data dictionary views to get information about the objects that you own or the object that you have access to. Here we are going to learn two data dictionary views, user underscore tables and all underscore tables. User underscore table, it is a data dictionary view. It provides information about all tables that you own, like the table name, the status of the table, is it read only or read write. While all underscore table, it is also a data dictionary view. It provides information about all tables to which you have access. So if you want to retain all tables that you own, you can use this select statement. Select table underscore name, status of the table, read only from user underscore tables. So as we can see, regions tables, countries tables, location tables, departments tables, job tables, employees, job history, debt underscore all, debt underscore new, EMP underscore new, and the status of each table, it is valid, and if it is read only or read write. Here as we can see, all tables are read write except for EMP underscore new, it is read only. Read only means in this case it deny DML operations. If you try to do any DML operation, insert, delete, update on EMP underscore new, it will fail. So user underscore tables data dictionary view provides information about your tables, while user underscore objects provides information about your objects, including tables, indexes, functions, procedures, and so on. But user underscore tables, only the tables that you own. So in this lesson, we learned about user underscore tables and all underscore table data dictionary views and how to use user underscore tables to get information about the tables that you own. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.